Hello and welcome to our next chapter, that is Introduction to MS Word. In this chapter, that is Introduction to MS Word, first of all you will have to understand what is MS Word. As you can see in this chapter, the introduction says MS Word is one of the most popular word processor. So that means Word is the most widely used word processor. A word processor is a computer software that helps you to type the text on the computer. So when we type the text on the computer, the software that is used for that is Word, MS Word, you can say. Okay. Some of the most commonly used word processing software available are MS Word, obviously, WordPad, and PageMaker. MS Word help us to create, edit, format and save our document easily. I'll show you in this chapter how to create, edit, format and save the document that we create in MS Word. So let's read a bit more about MS Word. MS Word is the most popular word processing software. This we have already understood because we type in this and also we can format the text, we can edit the text. It is a part of MS Office, which includes other programs apart from word processing. So let us learn about Microsoft Word. Now, before starting the practical work for MS Word, we should understand some of its features. The first feature that we have is it allows you to create a document, save it and print it. So you can create the document, you can save it in your computer and also you can get the printout of it. Second, it allows you to type words and sentences and edit them. So you can type sentences, words, and even you can make changes on it. Next is it allows you to cut, copy and paste the text. It allows you to check the correct spelling and grammar. You can insert a picture or an image in the document. You can also insert data in a tabular format. Tabular format is table format. It has many options to beautify the document. You can give colors, you can give images, you can give borders, you can give margins, you can give tables. So many things are there. You can share document on the internet and you can invite people to view and edit the document. So I'll show you in this chapter how to do all these things. Now for starting with the practical of MS Word, I'll be showing you everything about MS Word, how to start the MS Word, how to create a document, how to edit a document, how to format it, how to add pictures, how to save it, everything. So for starting MS Word, go on your menu, start menu, and either if it is pinned you can click on that, if not then you can type Word and you have the application. Click on it and the Word application is in front of you. Now to create the blank document, since I'm going to create everything from starting, so I'm going to create a blank document. When I have this blank document, I have this page in front of me. Okay, this page is the area where I'm going to type. Now let's go for some of the components. We can understand components first of all. Right over here we have the file tab. You can protect your document, give password to your document and check for any problems from this file tab. Okay. Then we have the title bar. Title bar is this one at the top. The title bar is the topmost bar of MS Word window. It displays the name of the current document and current program. It contains minimize, maximize, and close button. Then we have the ribbon. This complete part is called as ribbon. It is located at the top of the word window and has various tools. These all tools and commands are there. Then we have quick access toolbar. This part at the top. This is called as quick access toolbar. It is present on the title bar only. It shows the options like save, undo, and redo. So save option, undo, and redo option is also there. This area, the blank white area, is the document area. And we can even turn on the rulers. We have a horizontal and a vertical ruler. Then we have the status bar. Status bar is this one at the bottom that displays the page number, the number of words, and zooming option. That is here. You can zoom in, zoom out, whatever you want. Then we have scroll bar. Over here, you can see I have a scroll bar. So scroll bar helps you to scroll the content of the document. You can move up and down or right or left. Okay, maybe I have zoomed it. Okay, now I can scroll with the horizontal scroll bar as well. This one is the vertical one and this one is the horizontal one. So now let's bring this to the original size. Now we have understood how to create this blank document. Again, I'll show you one more time. Over here, we have blank document. Click on that and a blank document can be created. We can type anything. Okay. And that means when I'm typing on it, that means I'm creating the document. So with this blank document, I can create any of the document by typing on it. And if I want to type in capital letters, I'll have to press the caps lock key and then I'll have to type again. Okay. Then how do we save it? Go to file and you have save as option. Click on this and from here you can browse to any place where you want to save it. Let's make it to desktop. And over here I can create a new folder. Name it as my Word files. Okay. And inside that I can save my file. Let's name it as sample file. Okay. Now let's see if we have it there. So yeah, the Word file folder is here, and when I'm clicking on it, it has the document. So this is how you can create and save the document. See, I have two tabs here. I can just close this one. I do not require it. Then the next we have is when we have created the document, the next part that we can do is how do we open the saved document? Okay, let's close this. Now for opening, obviously we can go to the folder and double click on the document and the file is going to open. The other option is, let's go to Word and over here I have my recent file. I can click on it and I have it. Okay. So this is how we can open the document also. And even we have open option over here and click on it and the file is on the screen. To close the document, obviously we have this cross option. I can just click on it and the file is going to be closed. Now let's open the file again. Now to select the text, we can click and drag. The text is going to be selected. Okay. Or what we can do if you want to select with the keyboard, I can press my shift key and press the arrow key. And right and left arrow key I can press to select the text like this. Okay, pressing my shift and then clicking on the left or the right arrow key, whatever I want to select. So this is through the keyboard and mouse is by clicking and dragging. Okay. Then suppose I want to delete something on the file. So I can use my backspace or I can use the delete key like this. Okay. So both the ways you can delete. The only difference is if you want to delete the text from the right side of the cursor, you use backspace, or from the left side, you use the delete key. Okay, this was all for now in this chapter. I'll see you soon in a new chapter.